Today I'm going to show you how to run custom detection scripts in Microsoft Defender. Alright, so we're about to run custom detection scripts in Microsoft Defender, so you need to go ahead and follow along. The first thing we're going to do here is prepare your custom detection query. So navigate to Advanced Hunting in the Microsoft Defender portal and craft your detection query using custom query language, and your query now must include specific output columns for proper alert generation. These required output columns include timestamp, report LD, entity identifier. Now test your query thoroughly in the advanced hunting interface before proceeding and validate that it returns accurate results without errors and captures the threat indicators that you're targeting. The next thing over here is to create a rule. So go ahead and click on Create Detection Rule from the query editor after validating your query. This will now launch the rule configuration wizard. Define your rule name, add a description, and the execution frequency. So this could be hourly or 3 hourly or continuously. Add in an alert title, severity level, category, and impacted entity columns. Optionally, you can also add automated response actions. The last thing over here is to review your settings and enable the rule to begin immediate execution. You can go and access hunting, look for custom detection rules to monitor your performance. You can also tune your parameters, and you can manage all of the other active rules.